Hi, I'm Mary Kopsitsky, the CEO of RegAlytics, and now for something completely different. So, yeah, normally I would give you your update on this week's 27,590 alerts, but what a week. With an assassination attempt, the Menendez case, the Supreme Court case, the Florida case that was thrown out, I decided to ask what insights I could get out of RegAlytics on Trump versus Biden. Now, again, I keep my politics to myself, but I do happen to have over 4 million alerts from over 8,000 regulatory bodies around the world, and I thought I would just try to do some digging with the data and see what I could find out. I limited this analysis to 2024, so obviously if I go back to 2020, which we can do, to when Donald Trump was the president, I'm sure the data would be different. But what I did is I exported every alert mentioning Donald Trump and every alert mentioning Joe Biden in 2024. I did exclude anything from the U.S. Executive Office of the President because typically that's a platform where the president touts the administration's successes, so it would skew the results of what I was trying to do. So the first thing I noticed is that there were almost no alerts about Donald Trump from January to March. Nothing. So it wasn't until April this year that any regulator said anything at all about Donald Trump. Meanwhile, there were over thousands of alerts mentioning Biden. This is not a surprise. Lots of countries around the world put out commentary on what they like or dislike about the U.S. president's politics, so that's not weird. But I had to figure out how to normalize it between the two data points. So Trump started showing up in April, gaining steadily each month, while Biden's peaked in March and went down slightly, but not much. But what was really surprising is July, this very month. The posts about Trump already are almost the same as Biden's, and Biden's are much lower. But that's just the volume. That doesn't tell you much. So I then took the results and put them in GPT and asked for a sentiment analysis on whether the alert was positive, negative, or neutral towards Trump or Biden. Negative Trump-related alerts have gone up. There are not enough to be statistically significant, while Biden's negative alerts have gone down. So obviously you then wonder, well, where are they going? Does this mean the positive alerts are going up or down? The answer is Biden's alerts shifted towards more positive comments from other regulators, and Trump's alerts shifted to more neutral comments from the regulators. And that's all I'm telling you. But all of this to say is that the insights you can pull out from RegAlytics are fascinating, and you can do it very quickly on any topic you want. So if you're worried about rules for bicycle helmet safety, thank you, Alad, for the example, you can find them. Or maybe if you want to get a handle on ESG disclosures, you can do that too, easily. So call me and I can help you do that. And that's it this week for RegAlytics. We have the global supply chain of the world's regulatory alerts in one very easy to use place. If you need a solution for anything related to regulation, give us a call.